Hello viewers, today with Team Donovan, we're going to be making a 2-pound loaf of sourdough bread in my handy dandy KBS bread maker. We'll start by prepping the ingredients, 1 1/4 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and we'll need 3 cups of bread flour, 1 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oops. Spilled it. Oh well. Second one I'll make a little bit less. 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll be using 1 package of instant sourdough yeast. So let's start it up. The wet ingredients will come in first. We got the water, melted butter. Now it's time for those dry ingredients. Here comes the bread flour. A little sugar. Salt. And the 1 package of Red Star Platinum instant sourdough yeast. I'm using this because I ain't got time to be making this the traditional way. We'll set this to make 2 pounds for medium color. And change the setting to number 3, which is for sourdough. And we can see here it's going to take about 6 hours and 45 minutes. A good portion of this time will be used by the bread machine to rest the bread at a couple of different steps in the process. Alright, let's check back in a little bit. Now I'm just going to open it to take a peek, even though it's still kneading. That's pretty good. Maybe a smidgen more of water. So let's add that in. Let it keep going through the process. Now if it was a little too wet, you could just add a little bit more flour to offset it. And there's the beep to let us know that it's done. Okay, that collapsed a little bit, but it is done. So now let's just twist and pop it up. Just flip it over, and there you have it. A nice 2-pound loaf of sourdough bread. Minus the little collapse, it's still good to go. So we'll just let it cool for a minute, and then we'll cut into it. Alrighty then, now that it's cooled for a couple minutes, we're going to go ahead and cut it with a bread knife. nice and crusty. Oh yeah, look at that. Soft on the inside, nice crust on the outside. And the last thing to do is just try a bite. So good.